Welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrew, the business coach, and in this part 2 dropshipping series, we'll explore dropshipping suppliers, niches, products, and effective product validation techniques. Get ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level. As you embark on your dropshipping journey, the primary supplier I recommend starting with is AliExpress. This e-commerce platform originates from China and boasts an extensive network of suppliers and products. It hosts millions of items, making it the ideal launchpad for your dropshipping enterprise. Another exceptional choice is CJ Dropshipping. They offer rapid delivery to your customers, as indicated in the delivery time section. While AliExpress typically takes 2 to 4 weeks, CJ Dropshipping usually delivers within 1 to 2 weeks. This makes CJ Dropshipping an excellent alternative, though it might come with slightly higher pricing compared to AliExpress. Zendrop is another supplier option for dropshipping. Zendrop is known for its swifter shipping when compared to CJ Dropshipping and has the added advantage of its dedicated U.S. fulfillment center. You can often find products originating in the U.S., resulting in shipping times as short as 5 to 8 days for your customers. However, it's important to note that Zendrop tends to be pricier than both AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. Yet, it offers the benefits of U.S.-based fulfillment, custom branding, and swift delivery. Moving on to another choice, Spocket now offers a distinctive feature. It allows you to bypass shipping from China. Instead, it helps you discover top drop shipping suppliers in the US and Europe. With Spocket, you can provide 1-week shipping times for a variety of products not originating in China. This is an excellent solution to circumvent long shipping times associated with Chinese suppliers. Finally, there's USA Drop, an alternative supplier with a focus on shipping from the United States. They specialize in offering 2 to 4 day shipping times for many of their products, making them a highly appealing choice for your brand. Let's delve into the process of selecting a niche for your dropshipping store. When it comes to choosing a niche, AliExpress is an excellent starting point. To guide you in this process, here are some quick tips on niche selection. I recommend opting for a niche that is expansive, appealing to a mass market, scalable, and satisfies established needs and desires. The goal is to select a niche in which people consistently make purchases, allowing you to establish a long-term and scalable business. On AliExpress, the first step is to visit the homepage and navigate to the categories section. Once you've entered a specific niche, you'll discover sub-niches within it. For instance, let's explore the home, pet, and appliances category. Within this broader category, you'll find sub-niches such as home decor featuring items like vases and wall art, as well as home storage with products like boxes and bins. The strategy here is to choose an overarching niche and then hone in on a sub-niche to target. For example, if you decide on the home and appliances niche, you might opt to concentrate on the home decor sub-niche. Your store can house multiple collections, including home decor, home storage, and a kitchen collection. However, your store's overarching theme should revolve around home and appliances, with these sub-niches neatly nestled within. The second approach for selecting a niche is to explore the world of Amazon. Amazon stands as the largest e-commerce platform globally, making it an exceptional resource. To initiate your niche selection journey, begin by visiting the Amazon homepage. Here, you'll discover a wide array of primary niches, encompassing everything from electronics to beauty and health, and even pet supplies. For instance, let's say you decide to delve into the home and kitchen niche. Inside this niche, you'll find a plethora of sub-niches, including seasonal decor and party supplies. Amazon is a valuable alternative resource. A frequent inquiry I receive daily revolves around the dilemma of choosing a product from a plethora of ideas after extensive research. In this video, I present a 4-step framework to assist you in the selection of products for advertising. For instance, let's consider a hypothetical product, the LED jellyfish lamp. After thorough research, observed on an AliExpress listing with over 1,000 orders, boasting a 4.5-star rating and offering various options. Priced at $11, it allows for a profitable markup of 3 to 5 times. The decision-making process begins with an analysis of the AliExpress listing, focusing on the number of orders and reviews. In this case, the product's 1,000-plus orders signal substantial demand, while over 200 reviews with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 indicate positive feedback. It's generally advisable to steer clear of products with reviews below 4.5 on AliExpress. Additionally, perusing product reviews can provide valuable insights and images. And then through here, you can see what people think about it. You can see images of the product and see what it looks like. For example, this is so pretty and relaxing. Really cool, so cute, I love them. Then through this you can see what people here think about the product. There's plenty of reviews, a very beautiful and high-quality product. All of these reviews can be imported into your store. Following this, it's essential to explore the competition by examining other AliExpress listings and checking for the same product being sold by multiple sellers with good reviews and consistent sales. After the AliExpress analysis, the next step involves investigating platforms like Facebook and TikTok to determine if other businesses are successfully selling the product, which serves as an indicator of market demand. In the provided TikTok example, a seller's video showcasing the product garners millions of views and hundreds of thousands of likes, demonstrating its market potential. Examining user engagement and comments on such videos can offer further insights. Finally, researching successful businesses selling the same product and studying their online presence, including their store and product description, can offer valuable knowledge for your own strategy with the potential for substantial monthly revenue. You can craft your unique rendition of this video and initiate its deployment. Check out the comments. If you spot comments like "I want that so bad," please tell me where to buy. They serve as encouraging indicators. You'll also notice the presence of highly favorable reviews. Consequently, it's evident that this product is thriving exceptionally well in the market. When you visit their profile, you'll find access to their website, where we can see that they offer the product for £99. Take a look at their website and think of ways that you could mirror or improve it. I always recommend doing this. You can see this seller offers 3 different connector versions. Also check out the product listing, which includes a well-crafted description and different photos. Browsing through their website can provide valuable insights into their business, strongly suggesting monthly revenues in the 6 to 7 figure range. The subsequent avenue for exploration is Amazon. Now, some of you might harbor concerns about locating your product on Amazon, but the reality is that spotting your product there is a strong indicator of demand and consumer interest. The absence of competition, a scenario where no one else is selling it, is seldom a favorable sign. The notion of market saturation often circulates, but the truth is that saturation signifies an existing demand with people making purchases. Your primary goal is to market it more effectively than others, allowing for profitable opportunities. So, venture to Amazon and perform a product name search to ascertain if others are selling it. There, you can observe instances of 4,300 reviews, 180 reviews, and 2,300 reviews. Upon locating your product, delve into the listing. Scrutinize their product images and meticulously examine the product description. Above all, take the time to peruse the customer reviews. These reviews offer valuable insights, revealing images and customer sentiments, providing inspiration for your website and, more crucially, your advertisements. For instance, as you peruse the reviews, you might uncover comments such as "I purchased one for my kids, but I wish I had one too." Much cooler than a lava lamp and other nice reviews. It's through this process that you gather a wealth of information about the product and customer perceptions. The final method to validate a product is with Google Trends. A visit to Google Trends allows you to view how trending a product is by the volume of people actively searching for it. Presently, the product exhibited a robust trend score of 100 just a couple of days ago. You can also see where it is the most popular. Remarkably, this product seems to skyrocket up and down depending on the seller ads. Evidently, this product is presently in high demand and attracting significant attention, marking it as an excellent choice for sales. When starting dropshipping, the steps covered in this video are essential, from picking a supplier to validating your product.